What is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation tool written in Java. Jenkins is used to build and test your software projects continuously, making it easier for developers to integrate changes to the project and also making it easier for users to obtain a fresh build. It also allows you to continuously deliver your software by integrating with a large number of testing and deployment technologies. How does Jenkins work? First developer check and commit his code. Second, Jenkins will pick up the change code and trigger a build. Third, according the required tests are performed. Fourth, the output is available in Jenkins dashboard and notification sent to the developer. Why we use Jenkins? Jenkins achieves continuous integration with the help of plugins. Plugins allows the integration of various DevOps stages. If you want to integrate a particular tool, you need to install the plugin for that tool. For example, Git, Maven 2 project, Amazon EC2, HTML publisher, etc. What is continuous integration? Continuous integration is a development practice in which developers are required to commit changes to source code in shared repository several times a day. Every commit is then built, and this allows the team to detect problem early. Advantages of using Jenkins. First, it is an open source tool for the great community support. Second, it is easy to install. Third, it has 1000+ plugins to aid your work. If a plugin does not exist, you can code it and share it with the community. Fourth, it is free of cost. Fifth, it is built with Java and hence it is portable to all the major platforms. Who use Jenkins? GitHub, Netflix, NASA, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Salesforce, Sony, Dell, eBay, and many more.